I love this house. It's an old house, 1909, and we bought it 15 years ago and have spent the last 10 years doing a series of remodels with Archiform. And the goal was to really respect and honor the character and the history of the house, but be able to take it into the future.
As the owner of Archiform, I love this project, which was 10 years in the making. We had such a good relationship. It's way more than a working relationship. I love getting to know my clients.
I start with something in my head, and usually Anna and I collaborate, and it's something that I do as a creative outlet. Part of the space we're sitting in right now is inspired by a painting my father made for me when I was 18. And I took the colors of blue that were in this old man painting that he made for me, and I came up with this idea to make this room a tonal blue on blue room.
You can take an old house that people think is, drafty or has suspect wire, and you can make it a new house, but only better because it has all the old characteristics of an old house. Somebody's not going to go, oh yeah, that's new back there. They have to stop and think for a moment, and they go, well, did the new addition start here, or did it start there?
The remodel process has been a series over time, so it's been 10 years of projects. Roger was somebody that was here every day for almost a year, along with Darren. So Roger and Darren became very dear friends. It's really nice to have a company and an organization and really a family that can blend in with you.
The idea of these brand new cookie cutter homes with great rooms was kind of oversold. In a house like this, you could sit here and read a book, or you could move into the mudroom. You can go up to the upstairs balcony. There's little nooks all over the house.
I use every space in this house. It's small, but they're all great little spots. But my two favorite places, I think, the kitchen and the nook. You can sit in that area and really see the world go by. And it's just a really nice place to connect with people, and I do that often. The other spot that I have really come to love is the balcony off my bedroom. You have to kind of crawl out this window, and my daughter calls it the Hobbit window. And then I've landscaped it. I kind of create this little garden. It's a place that I can see myself as I get older, and hopefully someday have grandkids, and as my little place.
I love when our clients love what Archiform does for them. We don't shoot for like. That's a pretty low bar. We aim for love. Archiform's motto is inspired by stories of people and spaces. On the surface, yes, we remodel buildings, but on a deeper level, we bring stories to life. That's what gets us up in the morning, the opportunity to tell a new story. I can't think of a better way to spend my day.
This house is over 100 years old. I think it will still be here in 100 years. It will outlast me, and some of the decisions that we've made will still be here, and I'm really proud of that. It's an important part of the house and owning it.